Good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb year 2011 government pass question. Question number 15. Question 15 says the earliest classification of constitution was the work of dash. The earliest classification of constitution was the work of dash. Now when we talk of earliest means the first and classification of constitution means the vision of constitution into types. So it was the work of who among these scholars? A. K.C. Ware, B. Plato, C. Aristotle, D. J.J. Rousseau. K.C. Ware is a specialist in federalism. Federalism. Yes, go and read this. Is federalist paper. So it's a then Plato, who was the mentor of Aristotle, did not classify constitution. So the first person that classified constitution, that we are told in history that Aristotle studied 52 constitutions of different city states. So Aristotle was the one who classified constitution, was the earliest handiwork of Aristotle. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.